Present day everyone. My name is Christina J. Piseta. I'm a grade 11 student, section gate, ICT stat, and I'm here today to reaction video thought about a social dilemma. One of the famous American inspirational speech named Sean Cover was said that depending what they are out habits will and then make us to break us. We come what we responsibility to social media play viral roles in everybody life. Social media how now become a life like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and provide the platform we once have the right of to speech thought a social media. Any thought can communicate that thoughts feeling anytime from any place. We are anywhere of social media. Range with great power to cause. Sometimes they like to speak everyone convince another people and a thought can raise their voice to any kind of injustice that happen to them. Like to me, com- campaigning because a cyberbullying issue, and I know that we are expanding and have outright individual living in democratic country, but because there's right sometimes we hard feelings ever in another way to others.